everybody, welcome back or welcome to vlog day.
1, 2, 3, come on.
So anywho, today it's going to be a hair video. I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my twist. They call sister twist, right? So basically these are single twists. This is a twist, this is a twist, you get the gist. So I feel like I'm going to be refreshing it every other day. So this is the third day and I refreshed it yesterday and I'm refreshing it today. So tomorrow I'll probably not refresh it because I also didn't how do you call it, I didn't band it or anything when I was sleeping yesterday. I didn't put it in, I didn't hold it in any sort of way. It literally looks like a wash and go. So I'm literally going to have a wash and go for a month, kinda. But this is like sister twists. Okay, so we're starting with the water because water is essential. We need that hydration. So literally you spritz water throughout the hair, make sure it's a little bit damp and moist, and try and separate the curls here and there. I'm thinking of doing this 2 times a week, you know, the intense one. I'm going to spritz water on my hair every day, but then like for this one, 2 times a week. Look at those girls. I call those my wash and go that I'm going to keep for 1 month, but you know it's sister twist. Like it's crazy how these are twists and it looks like a wash and go, and see how curly my hair is. Like, are you all shook? You should be shook. Now after spritzing the water and making sure the water is all in there, you get the oil. Now let me tell you, this oil has a slimy kind of texture. So they sell it at a salon, and I'll link the salon down below, their Instagram. So it's to maintain the curl, so you can use it without the water, which I'll be doing every other day. So you just put that oil in your hair, make sure it coats all the strands. Since it's twist, you can run your finger through, separate it how you want to separate it, make sure the curls are popping. Then you put a processing cap or a shower cap. So I'm putting on my deep conditioning cap, and you can go bath, do whatever you want. When you're ready, take it out. So as you can see, this is like after me bathing, exercising and everything. Okay, so after taking it out, you just shake it out, make sure everything is flowy, bouncy, nice. As you can see, the curls are there, the curls are looking good, the curls are looking bougie. Like, I'm so here for the girls. Literally looks like a wash and go. Like, this is serious. I'm going to have a wash and go for a month. This really looks like a wash and go. Like, I ain't kidding. Damn. But it's twist. That's the amazing thing about it, the fact that it's twist. In the evening, I'll show you guys my evening routine with my sister twists. Okay, so delving right into the night routine, I usually don't want my twists so stretched because I have fine strands and my hair stretches really easily. So then it starts looking a little bit too stiff, and then I'll have to use lots of water every single day. So I'm just doing a light banding method that will kind of like stretch it in a way that it's still shrinking but stretched, if that makes sense. I'm just showing some curls because you all know I like to sew some curls. So you're just like banding, or I'm using 4, so I'll put it in 4 sections. I don't really band the ends so tightly because those sides are loosely twisted and you don't want them to be too bunched together. You get what I mean? Now I'm looking like one of those cartoon characters with black hair. So yeah, just looking like a cartoon character. So the next thing we are going to do is use a satin scarf, tie my hair so that it could be in one position. I don't want one to be so somewhere else and another one to be in a different position. so that when you are styling it the next day, you don't manipulate the twist so much. So you want them to remain in one position. So I'm going again with my satin bonnet. It's a one-sided satin bonnet, and yes, we are done. So thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you've gotten some tips from this video. See you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.